Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate-covered strawberries step by step. Start by washing and drying strawberries thoroughly, then melt chocolate slowly using a double boiler or short microwave bursts. Stir until smooth, dip berries holding stems, tap off excess, place on parchment, and chill until set. For variety, drizzle white chocolate or sprinkle crushed nuts before setting to add texture and contrast to presentation. Melt chocolate gently and patiently so your strawberries get a shiny, crisp coating. Chop chocolate into even pieces. Use a double boiler over simmering water or 20 to 30-second microwave bursts, stirring after each interval, and aim for an even, glossy texture. If tempering, work to about 88 to 90 degrees F, which gives a firm snap and beautiful sheen when chilled and served at room temperature later. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control is great for cleaning stray crumbs after cooking, and it makes post-bake cleanup almost as satisfying as the dessert itself. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Dipping is where the magic happens, so hold each strawberry by the stem, dip about 2/3 into the chocolate, and twist slightly to coat evenly. Tap off excess against the bowl to prevent pooling, set on parchment, and add toppings quickly if desired. For a polished look, drizzle cooled white chocolate or sprinkle crushed nuts, then refrigerate briefly to set and enjoy as a simple, elegant treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.